Do you believe that money is a scarce resource? That money doesn't come to you easily? Or that you really can't handle money? Or that fights will happen if there is money involved? Or do you believe that because I'm a spiritual person, I don't deserve to think about abundance? I don't I should not have a lot of desire for money. Friends, our beliefs create our reality. Our thoughts create our reality. And many times consciously you may be thinking like you want a lot, but it may be these subconscious beliefs that may be sabotaging it. Where are these beliefs created? Many times growing up, we have seen these in our family. We saw the family members fighting over a property or over money, and we believed it is money which creates problems. Or we've all heard money corrupts. So we feel that when money will come, that is when we will become corrupt. The fact is actually, if somebody is already corrupt, then money just gives them the opportunity to play that. But money is just an energy. If you are having good intentions, it actually helps you also create that and carry that out. We need to really clear a lot of these beliefs that we have probably gathered. It could be from our childhood. Sometimes it is also from our past lives. But the good news is that the beliefs can be transformed. From limiting beliefs, we can transform it into empowering beliefs. In this beautiful 2-day workshop, Money and Spirituality, where we actually go into the roots of this and also look into conflicts, any conflicts that you may have between money and spirituality, we help us identifying these beliefs and also shift those beliefs so that you can really start connecting to the true intention of why you are here, and so that you can have all the resources of really experiencing that life of purpose, of abundance, of fulfillment.